How to cancel your order after payment on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to cancel your order after the payment. The first thing you have to do is head over to AliExpress and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is access your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and once you get to your profile or the U page, you'll find My Orders option right here to pay, to ship, shipped, to review, and returns. So what you're going to have to do is click on View All, and then it will show you all of your orders here. So you can only cancel the payment of your order if it's on To Pay or the To Ship app to ship this stage of the delivery. So if it has moved to shipped, then there is no possible way to cancel it. But if you have any returns or refunds, you can order it to return and ask for a refund. If you don't see that option, you're going to have to contact their support team. So tap on the little headphone icon at the top, and it will take you directly to Help Center. Just wait for a bit for the Help Center to load up, and you can directly contact to their representative about your problem. Now from here, all you have to do is go to online service, and it will open up a online chat with a chatbot, and you can also ask for a real person or a representative. Agent, they will say the chat agent like this. So if you just tap on chat with agent now, it will contact a customer service agent, and you should be able to contact with them to ask for a refund, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.